Students, we will study today type of sets. In previous videos, we have studied set theory, concept of set theory representation. Here we will study types of sets. So first type of sets is empty set. Empty sets, as the word empty is here written, means no element. If in a set there is no element, then it is called empty set. It is represented by high or empty. So, example, A is a set such that x belongs to n. X is a natural number, and what is there? Less than 4 and greater than 3. So, any natural number does not exist which is greater than 3 and less than 4. So, A is 5. It is written like this. Generally, this symbol is used. It is left because here is some problem to write it in copies, notebooks, and a lot of example available. Suppose next is x. What is x? X is a person whose height is 10 feet. So no human being available on the earth whose height is 10 feet. So it is also fine. So you can get a lot of example in this empty set. So it is the smallest set, empty set. Next, we will come. So there is no element represented in 5. It is empty set. Second, come to if there is one element. One element. Singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton set. Single element. Only one element available. That is called singleton set. Example, here I am writing 5 because to avoid the confusion, 5 is in a bracket, so it is a single element. 5 is not equal to 5. Here is an element, but here is a set. So this set, the total is a set. And it is a singleton set which has one element. Next we are taking example B x such that x is the president of India. So it is only one person. So you know she is Draupadi Murmu. It is also singleton set. One thing I want to tell you that phi it is empty the null set the wide set. These names are also used for phi or empty set. All are same. If you are getting the name wide, null, and empty, that is same. Next, come to finite and infinite set. Finite set. Finite set and infinite set. You know, if we can count, we can assign a natural number to the number of elements in a set. You can say we can count then it is finite. Otherwise, infinite. Example x x belongs to R and x square minus 4 equal to 0. So, two values are possible plus minus 2 and so number of elements if it is a and a equal to 2. The number of elements, one thing I want to call you, number of elements is also called cardinal number. Finite set. I am writing. I will write again. F F is a human being in the world. This may be large, but it is countable. We can count. So it is finite set. One thing here you have to note that the number of element in a finite set is called its cardinal. Finite set means a set whose elements can be counted. It may be empty or non-empty. Both. The number of elements in a finite set is called cardinal number of the set. So here cardinal number of this set is 2. Other example I am we can take many examples are finite set. Example, set C X line passing through a point. C is a set. What type of set? All set of all lines who are passing through a point. So this is a point passing through many lines, infinite lines. We can't count it. So we can't count now. So it is infinite. Similarly, we can say it is x-axis. All lines parallel to this. Set of all parallel lines parallel to the x-axis. They are also infinite set. So you can get many sets which are finite and infinite.